In this session, we'll look at the Discover Lite functionality. Discover Lite is best accessed by using the Analyze Further context menu option from inside a running presentation. Alternatively, users can be given the Discover Lite interface from the user profiles in the admin as a way to enter discovery. But for now, we will access this through the Analyze Further function. Clicking on it will open up the given visual inside the highly redacted discovery tool known as Discover Lite. Discover Lite has a very simplified ribbon, simplified selection of different visuals, and some basic capabilities to drag and drop elements into all the drop zones available in the full Discovery Pro toolset. You can see here a user has the ability to move things around the different drop zones and in many respects completely change the visual that they were originally presented with, and even add new data to the visual, in this case using a different metric to color the bars of the bar chart. Once a user has finished creating the new visualization of data, starting from the visual presented to them in the presentation dashboard, they are free to save this report like any other report on the fly to their personal workspace for future use and reference. This capability is open to both Pro and viewer-based licenses.